everybody loves a pretty napkin. Two-sided napkins look complicated, but they're not. So you want to cut a square let's measure here. How big is that square? It's 18 inches. So we're going to cut an 18-inch square. This one's already been cut off. You're going to cut a corner off. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to pick a center that you like. You're going to look and make sure you like it. And you're going to go to the iron and you're going to press under all these edges, leaving the corners unpressed. So once those are pressed, go to your sewing machine and you're going to stitch all your corners. So when you're done with the stitching of the corners, you're going to end up with a shape that looks like this. And this will already be folded under. And you're going to take the square, which was your original size napkin that you wanted to make, and you're going to tuck it inside.